I don't even know if that got that on camera, but oh my god. Okay, yesterday I recorded a storm. Well, I'm recording another storm today because I like recording storms for you. And this one is a lightning storm. It is insane. There's been so much lightning and it's so bad. Actually, I don't think you can see it from the camera. Wow. Oh my god, that just hit right next to me. Oh my god. Oh my god. You can't see this in the camera, but I can see the rain in front of me and it looks insane. It looks absolutely insane. It's just starting to rain and it's going to pour in like 2 seconds. It's gonna be just like it is in the movies, but there's lightning all around me and it's so freaky right now. I'm actually about to freak out because this looks so bad. I was just watching lightning from afar and now I get to drive in it. Oh my god, I can see the rain. Here we go. Are you ready for this? This is Florida for you. Dude, that's hail. That is hail. It's hailing. What is going on? Oh my god. This doesn't look good. What is this? This is Florida in the summer. I'm ready for this. Bring it on. Bring it on! Driving. We're good.
Sounds like you people. It's gotta be hours.
Hey Chris,
For what?
do you like cookies?
I like cookies.
Do you like a whole lot of cookies?
Oh my god.
I may have just bought a platter.
A platter.
I think we kind of deserve it. We've been working our butts off.
We're the only people that buy cookie platters.
That's a gross sky.
It is. It's dangerous.
Ugh. Yuck. But yeah, we are the only weirdos that do that. Luckily, I'm going to the gym tonight again. If you've been wondering, I have been going to the gym. Amateurs, stinky feet dog with the corn in her mouth. We are friends, aren't we friends? Here, yeah, check it out, folks. Check it out. Oh hey, Mickey.